sponsored by swaggerfoods.com. Today we got a 15-minute full-on cardio, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We got 20 exercises, 15 minutes, you and me, including the warm-up. Let's get it going. All right, jog it out. Jog it out. In 4, 3, 2, out, and in. Come on. We getting our swagger on, our strong on in 15 minutes. 4, 3, 2, side to side with those arms right here. 4, 3, 2, hamstring curls. Drive those elbows back. 4, 3, 2, to the shaft. 4, 3, 2, squat it out, bring it down. Chest is high, booty goes back. In 4, 3, 2, lateral lunge, give me that upright row right in the middle. 4, 3, 2, butt kick. I know we're moving fast. Gotta get you warmed up. In 4, 3, 2, side to side. Give me that reach. Stretch out that side body. In 4, 3, 2. All right, march it out. First movement, we are going to go 2 touch squats. 4, nice sprints. Ready? Yeah, that's how we start. Let's do this. 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Ready? Let's go. 2 touch squats. Come on. 4 high knees. Let's go, let's go. All right, go on the plank right here. Come on, meet me in the plank. 4 climbers, 2 jacks, bring it up. 2 jacks, 3, 2, let's go. Less than 10. Give me 5. 2. All right, come on down. Push up. Front raise. Right here. Let's go. Push up. Give me a front raise. Alternate that front raise. Get some strength. Come on. Today. We moving. On our back. 4 bicycles. Right here. 2 tuck-ins. Crunch tuck in. Ready? Let's go. 4. Remember, get those shoulder blades off the ground. Get that full spinal rotation. Side knees, 2 front knees, switch other side, 2 front, sprinters, ready? Let's go. What are your hands doing, y'all? All right, we're going to go into 2 jacks, 2 low jacks. We're going to shuffle to the other side. All right, 2 jacks, 2 low jacks. Shuffle it. Other side. 2 jacks, 2 low. Bring it to the other side. Come on. We got this. Come on. Yes. Beast. Beast mode right here. All right, come on down here. Come on down here, low plank. That's where we're going. 2 hip dips. Bring it up. We're going to go into a climber, climber. Bring it down, nice and slow. Bring it up. Knee drive, knee drive. Unlike the mountain climber, you're going into a slow climber right here. 2 hip dips. 2 climbers. 5 seconds. 3. All right, come on up. Come on up. Oh my goodness, are you ready for this? We got 2 squat touches to a burpee right here. Squat touch, burpee. Bring it down. Come on. No joke. Woo! 10 seconds, y'all. Give me 5, 3, 2. All right, come on in. We're going to do some speed bag. All right, let's go. Speed bag, 1, 2, speed bag, 1, 2, ready? Let's go. Lighten out those feet. Give me that jack. Quick arms. Move those arms. Come on. Alternate those arms. We're almost there. 3, 2. Let's crab walk it out. Come on down. Come on down. We crab walk all the way to the front. Bring it back. Work through the triceps. 2 dips. Right here. 2 dips. Bring it forward. Bring it back. Give me those 2 dips. Keep those hips up high, y'all. 2 dips. Yes. We're halfway done. After this move. 4, 3, 2. All right, all the way down. Star. Bring it up. Toe reach. Bring it up. Toe reach. You're going to flip it around. Bring it to a push-up. All the way down. All right. Come on. It's like rolling out of the bed. Switch those arms. Switch that side of where you're going to lift. Roll it over. Push it up. Bring it down. 3, standing it up. 2, stand it up. All right. You remember those knees? 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 half jacks. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 half jacks. Now it's about the quick movement of those feet. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Going from strength to cardio, cardio to strength. Keep it going. We're going into some more push-ups. In 3, 2, wide push-up, big arms, all right? Bring it past those shoulders, wide push-up, wide base. Bring it in, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, so you got a wide push-up, in and out, out. Let's go. with a cross hook. All right, 4 flutters. Hook, hook. Let's go. Come on. Let me see that elbow. Come on. 2 flutters. Hook, hook. Get that full pivot. Use those glutes. Twist it out. 5 seconds, y'all. 3, 2. All right. Guess what? We get to jump forward. We get to go. Shuffle it back. Forward. Shuffle it back. You know what? Let's add in 2 lunges. Bring it down. Shuffle it back. 2 lunges. Right here. Use those arms. Propel you forward. Drive it back. 3, 2. All right, back onto side plank. Right here. Come on. Side plank. Reach around. Right here. Come on. 15 on each side. Just give me 15 on each side. Full rotation. Stand your feet, otherwise one leg can go down. Right here, switch. Come on. 3, 2. All right. Let's go on our backs. Knee drive. All right. Pick up those feet. Straighten out those legs. Reverse crunch right here. Right here. First 15. Come on. Follow me. We're almost there. First 15 that we drop that booty low. Come on, we go into tuck-ins. Booty low, drop it down, tuck it in. 2 inches off the ground. Seconds in 3, 2. All right, come on up. Last 2 standing moves. Are you ready? Yes, you're ready. 2 jacks, 2 touch squats, 2 climbers. Bring it up. We're adding things in. Yes, we are. Bring it down. 2 climbers, 2 jacks, 2 touch. Bring it down. 1, 2. Come on. 3, 2. All right, we got 4 high knee sprints. We lateral sprinted back to the side. All right, 4 high knee sprints. Bring it around. We go to a ski right here. 4 high knee sprints. Bring it. Lateral ski. Come on. 4 high. Bring it in. Come on. Moving laterally. 3, 2. All right. That's 20. Yes, we got it. 30 seconds each. If you gotta go, you've gotta go. Otherwise, stretch with me. Let's finish it up. Bring it up. Big inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Bring your arm up, around. Get the tricep stretch. And bring it around. All right, other side. Back and around. And around. But you just keep saying around until we do around. All right. Get a hold of that knee. Not the knee, the ankle. Knees together. Figure 4, hip opener. All right, other side. Knees together. Get that nice quad stretch. And hip opener, bring it down. All right, big inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. One more time, and give yourself a big hug, swagfoods.com. Do what you gotta do. 15 minutes, you and me, thank you. I'll see you next time. Stay strong, my friends.